Over the last few decades, the car as we know it has undergone electronic transformation, with increasingly complex and interconnected electrical systems now at the heart of every modern vehicle. The result? Smarter, more efficient, more connected motoring, notwithstanding, of course, the inevitable servicing, diagnostic and repair challenges for today's technicians. In our recently updated training course on understanding charging systems, we take a deep dive into the technology that's helping sustain the vast electrical demands of modern vehicles. Over 4 videos, you'll explore how the standard alternator has evolved into a highly sophisticated, computer-controlled charging system. We'll introduce the science behind key charging principles, including electromagnetic induction and current rectification, and use our advanced 3D graphics to actually take you inside an alternator, so you can explore the function of components like the diodes, the voltage regulator, and the overrunning pulley. In our latest addition to the course, I'll give you a complete hands-on guide to best practice alternator testing, including some great tips for diagnosing the very latest smart charging systems. By the time you've finished this course, you'll be super confident tackling any charging system challenge in the workshop. To access this 4-part training course, along with over 300 other great training videos on fundamentals and advanced automotive systems, you need an Auto Data training subscription. Visit our website to sign up today.